Okay. Okay, so this should be in 1080. If it isn't, oh well, good for you, or for me. It's not good news at all. What am I saying? Hello. Welcome back to my content. We are going to be playing more of Resident Evil. And, this should sound pretty good. I have no shotgun shells, but I have 23 shells left. That's not really good. Alright. Krauser stronghold. Okay, I think I know where I'm at. We are going to fight Krauser in this large maze, I believe. So it seemed like this game alone, where my hands just want to go somewhere else. Okay. Hello.
So, you two are all hooked up now, is that it?
Where's Ashley?
Do you really want to know? She's beyond that gate.
Okay.
But you'll need 3 insignias to open it.
What are you gonna do, Krauser?
There's one in the north, and the other in the east.
And let me guess. You got the last one.
Holy shit.
It pretty much means you're on a tight leash.
Sounds like you thought this one out pretty well.
Oh shit, okay, fuck you. Okay, I guess he's doing that. Where you at, where you at, where you at? Woo! Okay! Fuck you! Oh god! Oh god! Okay, I'm going with the ladder. Fuck you. Hello? That motherfucker! Yeah! Oh! Yo! No! Fuck you! Fuck. No! 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 Please! God! Whoa! Hi! Owie! Okay. Goodness me! Goodness gracious me! Krauser's a lot scarier than I expected him to be. Motherfucker's throwing nades at me. Ah! Got him! Hello. Oh, Mom, help! Oh, yeah, okay. Got it. I'm actually doing moderately okay. Oh! Yo! You motherfucker! Shit.
That's what I thought.
Ooh, there's an insignia. Got one.
What do you intend to do restoring Umbrella?
To bring order and balance to this insane world of ours.
A psycho like you can't bring order or balance.
You don't seriously think a conservative mind can chart a new course for the world, do you?
Oh shit.
That's what I thought.
Thank God. Alright, cool. The knife trick still works in this game version. I didn't think that would be the case. Hello. Let's try you. Oh, I can push. Oh, okay. Where do I push you to? Ah. Got it. There we go. Aha. Oh yeah, I got it. Damn. Why am I so small? I can just dodge him though. If I play my cards right, I can just dodge him. Oh.
Good lead.
Oh. Thanks, controllers.
Okay.
What the fuck are those? Playing Doom here? Jesus. Hello. I hear him.
What is it that you fight for, comrade?
My past, I suppose.
Umbrella.
Where is she? I farted. Pardon me. Hi.
2 down, 1 more to go, Krauser.
We'll see about that.
You need that, don't you? Okay, I'm gonna think you don't need that. Whoa.
Witness the power!
You've lost it completely, Krauser.
Prepare for your death, Leon.
Please tell me this fucking trick still works. Ow. Shit. Okay. Okay. Grab it. Grab my shit. Ooh. Motherfucking grenades. Fucking. What? What the fuck happened there? Okay. Come on, hit me. Ooh. Come on. Thank you. Goodness me. I got the thing. I need to get out of this thing before it explodes. Whoops. Nope, no ammo. That's bad news. Ah, yes. Oh. Oh. Technological scale from one spot to another. I see the symbolism. Oh, apparently the whole fucking spot of that section exploded. Ammo? No ammo? I'd really like it. Oh wait, no, I have pistol ammo. What am I doing? There we go. Alright, cool. I got at least 2 mags worth of ammo. Pistol ammo. Bro! Hello?
So, it seems you killed Krauser too.
You must sound proud.
How shall I return my appreciation?
With a kiss?
What are you talking about? I thought he was with you.
What are you talking about? Did you really think I'd trust an American? To tell you the truth, I was contemplating how to get rid of him. But thanks to you, that's no longer necessary.
You were just using him right from the start.
Oh, I must hand it to you. You've demonstrated quite a bit of promise by killing Krauser. When your assimilation with Las Plagas is complete, I'll have you serve as my guard.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to decline your generous offer. I have prior engagements.
Enjoy your smart-mouthing while you can.
I love the banter between them. They are like long-lost lovers hating each other.
Verifica la presión de esa válvula. ¿Y tú? Aquí.
That's a lot of people.
¿Viste algo? No hay problema.
Damn.
Hello?
Hey, it's about time.
Sorry, bad traffic. I'll cover you.
Oh, thanks, bro. Awesome.
Llénalos de pólvora.
How did you not hear that? You guys deserve death. How did you not hear an attack helicopter right above you? Never gonna have a hearing problem after this.
Now that's what I call backup.
My name's Mike. You looking for firepower, you come to the right place.
Yeah, thank you, Mike. How you doing? That's the New York accent. Brooklyn style, eh? Yeah, I used to be in Brooklyn, too. Then I got my wife, Vanessa. Oh, hello. Oh, shit. Vanessa's a bit of a problem nowadays. That's why I'm over on this rural side of Europe. Oh, God. Hey, oh, Mikey, you mind helping me with this shit? Thank you. Thank you very much, Mikey. You're a good man. Good job, big boy. Bet your wife loves you. No, I do. I ain't gay, but... Nah, fuck it, I'm gay. I guess I don't got a job anymore. You're doing it for me. Good job, man. I'm gonna just round up everything that's over here. Never mind. I got work. Hello. Jesus Christ, Mikey. That's a little too much, don't you think? Okay. Mikey, what you doing? Thank you. I appreciate the assist, I guess. Did that already, buddy. Yeah, shotgun shells, gold. Oh, what else we got? Oh, for fuck's sake, bro. Oh, Mike, you mind laying a hand? Oh, God. Yeah, never mind, I got it. Mikey, you mind dealing with this? What the fuck are you shooting at, Mikey? You motherfucker. To be honest with you, Mikey, I don't really need the assist at the moment. Oh, guys. Fellas, shared grab shit. Come on. There we go. You really suck at your job, Mikey. Alright then. Going down to Jerusalem. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. What? Okay. Thank you. There you go, Mikey. Good job, Mikey! I got that door open for you, Mikey. You're invited to my wedding. My daughter's wedding. Oh, God. Oh, right. Oh, this guy. Yo, Mikey. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Red flag. Mikey, mind shooting at something other than the wall? I didn't even. Help. Mikey! Ow. Thanks, Mikey. What an assist. And, oh, no. There we go. Whee! Get that switch. Shooting nothing at this point. He's pretending that he's being helped. Hey, how you doing? Oh, fuck's sake. Hey, yo, Mikey, a little assist! No, go ahead. Go over here. Assist, Mikey. There you go. Nice. Great job, buddy. Ow! I didn't even see you there. Sorry, man. I'm not ignoring you, I promise. I just didn't notice. You really trying to shoot me in between the cracks of the wall? Could someone please fucking come towards me? Stop. No, please. What? Really? No? I can't? I'm a special agent. I should know how to fucking use this thing. Or you just have to throw. Yeah, drinking clean, yeah. What are you, bro? Think I was an enemy? Jesus Christ! Yeah, I know. Wait. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah! All right. douche. Oh, thank God. Silence. Ooh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Fuck yeah!
Take cover!
Thanks. When we get out of here, drinks are on me.
Yeah, hey, I know a good bar.
Oh no, Mikey. You knew a good bar. Mike! God damn. He knew a good bar.
I'll make sure you're the next to go, Saddler.
He knew a bar, you motherfucker.
Ooh, I'm sorry, Leon.
Saddler, you
Leon.
bastard!
It's nothing to get all upset about. Don't tell me you've never swatted a bothersome fly. In essence, it's the same thing.
What did you say? Insects' life doesn't compare to human lives.
When you've acquired this power, you too will understand.
Guess it's another good reason to get the parasite out of my body.
I wish you luck.
Bro. I'm so mad that Mikey's dead. Like, he knew a good bar! Oh, man. I'm so sorry, Mike. God, I am just so pent up over Mike's death! This has nothing to do with Ashley anymore. Mike, I need to avenge him. And I need to know what that good bar was too. God damn. I'm hurt. I'm flustered and hurt. I think Mike was flirting with me at some point. God damn. I missed it already. I don't feel safe going in there. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh my. Oh, great. Oh, hi.
Leon, you okay?
Yeah. Sorry, Ada.
We have to get that parasite out of your body.
Yeah. But before that, I gotta save Ashley.
Fine. Let's split up.
Yeah, I wouldn't blame you. Sorry. Yeah, I feel really bad. and Mike's gone. And I just wanted to... I felt like he was into choking, and I wanted to test it out on you. I'm so sorry, Mike. Oh, for fuck's sake. You know, I'm calling it a day. You know, I'm done. Alright, thank you guys for shipping in. Today's... bye.